Hey all, Florian with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. There's a ton of comments saying, show us a third gen Dodge. We got you a third gen Dodge. Sitting on some 20 by 12 Moto metals in like 35's.
Rolled through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black. Got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team stands as a team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
So like I said, 03, which is your third gen Ram 2500, Dodge Ram, still Dodge in 03. And what we have here for suspension wise is a 5-inch rough country. Now this kit's actually pretty affordable. It's like 900 bucks, so not bad at all if you want to pick that up. So you get your new coil spring up front, as well as rough country gives you new shocks, and then relocation brackets for the control arms. So with that, we're able to fit this wheel and tire setup. So this is a 20 by 12 -44 Moto Metal 962. So you can see it's the black finish with the machined accents as well as the rivets along the face of it, and then your covered cap. We'll get you a build test on her. You guys have seen the Moto Metal 1,000 times. We'll show it to you 1,000 more, but on your 12 wide, you're getting just shy of that 6-inch lip. So pretty good there. For tires, he's running the Nitto, what are these, Trail Grapplers? Yeah, Trail Grapplers. This is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. You can see the Nitto actually gives you almost a perfect straight up and down sidewall on there. Looks pretty nice. And obviously the stance coming up the side of the truck, you got, we call it 4 inches. So pretty aggressive stance there. I'll quick walk you out back. Obviously no fitment issues in the rear. You also do get new shocks for the rear as well. And then it's just a lift block in the rear to bring that back end up. So it sits pretty much perfectly level overall. Of course, it does have the tow mirrors flipped up because that's the only way to do it on these Dodges. Cowl hood. He's got the, I believe these are LED concepts, the halos in the headlights there. He's got a whole bunch of other like motor and trans work and stuff done to it too, but just a real quick spotlight to kind of show you some stuff on the truck. Lastly, I almost forgot, is the window tint and the window visor. So this is a 5% tint here. And last but not least, for you Cummins guys, we'll throw you an exhaust clip. It's got a 5-inch turbo back with a 7 or 8-inch tip on it. Throw that in here. So like I said guys, that's your 03 Ram. That about sums it up. Really fast spotlight, but you guys asked for a Ram, so we got your Ram. 03, 2500, Cummins, 20 by 12s, 35s. That's it. 6 in a row makes them go.